Hi, my name is Dr. Lumina. Welcome to this journey through strategy and influence. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting aspects of digital marketing, influencer collaboration models. In this session, we'll explore the various ways brands work with influencers, from one-time promotions to long-term partnerships. We'll examine the tactics, ethics, and strategies that make these relationships effective and how you can apply them to build impactful influencer campaigns. Influencer collaboration models. We begin with a broad overview. Influencer marketing is more than social media stardom. It's a strategic ecosystem. This course module focuses on 8 collaboration types used across industries to drive awareness, engagement, and ROI. Each has its purpose, and the right choice depends on campaign goals. By the end, you'll know how to apply each model with confidence. Agenda and roadmap. Our journey includes 8 collaboration types, from sponsored content and brand ambassadorship to storytelling and affiliate marketing. Each topic spans 2 slides, one to define, one to deepen. We'll also bookend the module with a recap and action plan. This logical flow builds understanding while giving you real application insight. What is sponsored content? Sponsored content is the bread and butter of influencer marketing. It's when a brand pays a creator to post content that features their product or service. This can happen across platforms: Instagram, YouTube, blogs. Importantly, these posts must be disclosed as sponsored per legal guidelines. Done right, sponsored content blends seamlessly with the influencer's normal voice and aesthetic. Sponsored content ROI and best practices. To make sponsored content work, it's not just about reach. We look at engagement, conversions, and click-through rates. Brands need to give influencers creative freedom to keep content authentic. Plus, choosing influencers whose audience matches your target customer is crucial. Success comes from strategic pairing, not flashy visuals alone. Defining brand ambassadorship. Now let's talk about brand ambassadors. These are influencers who form long-term relationships with a brand, often posting regularly and becoming part of the brand identity. They're more invested and authentic than one-time posters. Think of them as unofficial spokespeople. Audiences recognize and trust their endorsements over time. Brand ambassadorship, value, and examples. Long-term exposure leads to better brand recall and deeper connections. Brands like Gymshark and Daniel Wellington have scaled using ambassador models. The key is choosing creators who truly resonate with the brand. Their loyalty builds trust, and trust builds conversions. These partnerships often grow into formal programs with rewards and exclusives. Storytelling and influencer marketing stories sell. A good story connects emotionally, making it more memorable than facts or features. Influencers use storytelling to show how a product fits into their lives. This helps audiences visualize usage and benefits. Platforms like Instagram Stories and YouTube are perfect for this style of content. Crafting authentic brand narratives. Great storytelling shows real-life problems and how the product helps. It's not about glossy perfection. It's about authenticity. The best stories prioritize the user's needs, not just the product's specs. Influencers integrate products naturally into routines. This realism makes viewers trust and relate to the brand. Why case studies matter. Case studies prove that influencer marketing works. They showcase structure, execution, and results in real-world scenarios. When presented to executives or teams, they add credibility. They also help marketers learn what worked and what didn't. A good case study is both proof and playbook. Examples of high-impact campaigns. Look at Fenty Beauty, which earned $72 in media value thanks to a diverse influencer strategy, or Glossier, which scaled using micro-influencers and customer storytelling. Daniel Wellington's minimal approach with global influencers was another winner. These campaigns used alignment, not size, to win. Affiliate programs. Explained affiliate marketing is performance-based. Influencers earn a cut when followers use their referral links. This low-risk model is great for smaller brands. If there are no conversions, there's no cost. It's a mutually beneficial system that keeps both brand and influencer motivated. Affiliate strategy and measurement. To make affiliate programs work, you need tracking tools like Refersion or Share a Sale. Brands can also tier commissions to reward top performers. Influencers should embed links in evergreen content like blogs or tutorials. That way, revenue keeps coming long after the initial post. Influencer product reviews are where influencers shine. They share personal, hands-on experiences with a product. It can be an unboxing, a comparison, or a day-in-the-life usage. This honesty feels more helpful than a traditional ad. It builds trust, especially when creators explain both pros and cons. Review ethics and audience trust. Ethics are essential in reviews. Influencers must disclose sponsorships and affiliate links, by law and for trust. In fact, audiences respect honesty. Reviews with balanced feedback often perform better. It shows creators aren't just paid mouthpieces, they're users too. Long-term partnerships. We revisit the idea of longevity. Long-term collaborations allow brands and influencers to evolve together. Campaigns can adjust as platforms change. Audiences grow familiar with the influencer-brand relationship, which improves recall. This continuity leads to stronger engagement, loyalty, and measurable impact. Red Bull and Adidas use ambassador programs to nurture creator loyalty. These long-term deals give influencers structure and perks. With repeated exposure, brands can better track ROI. It's a mature model that turns creators into allies, not just promoters. Multi-influencer campaigns. For big moments, like launches or holidays, multi-influencer campaigns are ideal. They involve many creators posting at once. This amplifies messaging through sheer volume. It also reaches diverse audiences. With a coordinated approach, these campaigns go viral fast. Managing influencer scale. But scale needs structure. Brands must brief influencers clearly and track results in real time. Platforms like Grin and Creator IQ help with this. You can see which influencers or formats work best, then double down on winners. Smart management is what turns chaos into strategy. Key takeaways. So what have we learned? Collaboration models are tools, each with different use cases. Choosing the right one depends on goals and audience. Ethics and authenticity drive results, and success comes from alignment, creativity, and performance tracking. Conclusion and next steps. Now it's your turn. Assess your team's readiness, test small, and scale what works. Use this framework to build strategies, not just posts. With thoughtful planning and the right influencers, your brand can turn attention into action. Let's influence smarter, together.